after the 10th take, no more coffee. But it shows I can catch. What's going on, everybody? Gregory Lambiasi, and by trade, DJ Greg Nice. Hope everybody's having a great one today. So ladies, you have your beauty regimen, right? But why can't the fellas have their beauty regimen? Today I'm going to go over all these great items to look and feel and smell better as a man. Entitled, What's Inside My Travel Kit? So, let's start. Fluids. We all need to drink more water. I prefer Fiji water, and despite what you think, it's not that more expensive than Poland Spring. Bulletproof coffee, good for your mind, body, and soul. Boom. All right, so Bulldog Skincare Company, cruelty-free, not bad. You have your face wash. You can use this every day. You can use this twice a day. Then you have your facial scrub. Now, with the kind of granular beads that are in the face scrub, you don't want to overdo it with your skin more than maybe once a week, even once every other week. Face wash, you're good to go. Face scrub, only when you need it. Okay? Bulldog Skincare. Let's talk about eyes. Dry eye relief. We all need this, especially when you wear prescription glasses like mine and for late nights. And to mash this up, the drug Excedrin Migraine does the trick too. So this is inside my travel kit. Different hair products. This is Pacino's pomade. You have a company called Hans de Foucault Claymation, clay. You have Billy Jealousy molding cream. Hope I said that right. Gum that's already in my mouth by Orbit, strawberry gum preferably. It lasts. Mouthwash, I mean, come on, right? Keep that breath going. Let's see here. Well, I already have this on, but this is Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper deodorant. Okay? It really lasts and it's cruelty-free. Just like the Bulldog Skincare. I mean, what kind of company would they be? Bulldog Skincare, and they wouldn't be cruelty-free? I mean, Bulldog, animal, boom, right? Another company that's cruelty-free, entitled Refinery Rebels Refinery, Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Oh, yeah. Get around the eyes. But I got something for the eyes. Don't worry about it. Make sure I rub this in. Because my buddy at the gym was like, yo, what's that white stuff on your face, man? Yeah, I didn't rub it in. I was in a rush and I was just like, but rub it in, not too much. And to go with this anti-wrinkle moisturizer, you want to combine Rehab roller. Sounds like a club in Vegas. Around your eyes. And as I do this, I forgot to use the men's wipes on my face. Even though my face was clean. You don't need to use that much. So, Rehab roller, Rebels Refinery. Okay? Another cruelty-free company for men. Let's see here. You got your traditional chapstick. Then you have an SPF 25 lip balm by Jack Black. I want to use the Jack Black today. Lips feel smooth. All right, let's put this over here. Let's talk about facial masks, not just for women. I mean, men, let's get it. I'm going to use this tonight. I was actually going to start this video with a face mask, but let's read it. So Freeman Feeling Beautiful Detoxifying Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. 10-minute mask. Check it out. So here are Everyman Jack. I believe this is a Target brand. These are facial wipes. Yes, cruelty free. And I was supposed to use the facial wipes in the beauty regimen before using all this stuff. But again, my face was clean. I don't want to overdo it and beat up my face too much, even for this video. So removes all dirt and excess oil. Volcanic clay wipes. How many come in here? 30 wipes. I'll put all links in description. 30 wipes. If you're on the go, you don't have a sink in front of you. You don't have time to use this. Wipes, not just for women. All right, what else do we have here? Well, if you're on the go, what is this? The Fusion 5-blade by Bic, right? Or you can go Dollar Shave Club. A lot of my buddies told me to try that. But I insist on paying the big dollars for Bic. Go figure, right? So if you're shaving on the go, I have Clinique for Men, cream shave, whatever. I don't know, I'm going to be honest, if Clinique in general tests on animals. I'm trying my best, but here it is, okay? So put a little this on after you already, got your face kind of prepped. Then you could do this. You don't want to use facial scrub or any type of facial stuff. You get that ready before you shave. Man, you know that. Let's talk about after you shave. Gillette Simple. I think this is like $2.99 aftershave. It smells good, old school. This is just hand lotion. I mean, after all the hand sanitizer that we use, our hands become very dry. And this is Thanks a Ton, Apricot and Apple. I believe this is by Bath and Body Works. Okay. So after you use the hand sanitizer, first you wash your hands and the hand sanitizer, your hands become, I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to show it, pretty dry. So a little body, or it says body lotion, but you could use it for your hands. Same formula. Get those knuckles. Get that in there. Usually I take off my wedding ring. It's actually one of my favorite wedding rings. I don't wear this often because I'm always tapping my fingers. Usually it's a go out to eat wedding band. I wanted this. I'll get into the story at some other time, but I always liked the braided twist wedding band. And when I had some money, it's not just about the women in their diamond rings. Why can't the men have some nice jewelry? So usually I take it off, but for the sake of this video, all right. What do we have? These are just cleaning wipes for your glasses. I take these, you can use these on your computer screens, your smartphones. They have alcohol in it, so it gets some of the dirt and grime out. I think this will be the last thing. So here's the logo, Sephora. I haven't had a full cologne in probably 2 years. So they have these, usually during the holidays, these kind of sample packs of, I believe, 12 or more samples. Now I had this again for 2 years. But inside the travel kind of pouch, they give you a coupon for a full-size bottle. It's part of the package deal. Pretty cool by Sephora. So after you try, I don't know how many are in here. What's this doing in here? Kiehl's? Okay. I used to like Kiehl's. I'm not going to get into it. How's this? Got like a mix of everything. Burt's Bees. Oh, that's good. So, as you see, I went through quite a bit over the past 2 years. And you basically try it out. This one is Gucci, just regular Gucci. Hugo Boss, Izzy Miyake. That's strong. One little spritz, you're good. You may need this after the migraine you get from that scent. I used to like it. You know, our senses change the older we get. Acqua di Gio. Yves Saint Laurent. Hope I'm saying that right. And of course, Lacoste. So I think I got a big bottle. I think they had another Gucci. I don't know if it was Gucci Envy. No, that's for women. I forgot. So I redeemed. Again, there was more cologne samples, but I think it's pretty cool. It's from Sephora. So you try out your samples. You have the samples, of course, and then you have a little coupon inside this pouch where you redeem. Okay, so you could pick anything as I drop these. Full size, smell good, look good. Stay put. I think this is everything. Again, I'm gonna put the links in the description. And let me tell you something, it took over 10, 15, 20 takes to get this far because I don't do the beauty reviews often. But I figured, you know, what comes in my travel kit. Oh, last but not least. So this is a basic travel kit men's bag. I think I got this from Target for $9.99. But on the bottom of this particular one, it has men's grooming kit. So again, basic men's travel bag. You don't need any special, you know, high-priced Dior bag or Gucci or Prada or even anything else. Again, $9.99, maybe $12.99. Okay, I lied. But this is, you know, men. Just like women, we want to look good, we want to feel good, and of course we want to smell good. So I'm going to put all the links, a lot of different brands here. I try my best to use cruelty-free products. The more I knew about how they treat the animals, but this is not a video based on that. Like I said, there's a few companies here that probably do test on animals. We won't get into that. But just a lot of products that you can take with you to feel more confident, look more confident, and smell nice, you know, for your wife, your girlfriend, or if you're single, you know. So, on that note, what's inside my travel kit by yours truly, Gregory Lambiasi. You guys have a good one. Maybe I'll be back for a second video, but for now, catch you later.